this episode, I'm going to tackle the spark plugs. I'm going to take the intake off because you need to take the intercooler piping off. You need to take the coils off, and then we're going to do spark plugs. So I'm going to first off, I'm going to take off the hood, or get the hood propped up so I can work on it. So that's simple. Just go like that, lift her up. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing by setting up the camera, if I can. So what I've got to do is take this pipe off here, just about maybe here to here. We're going to take all this off, take those coils out, and then we're going to take the spark plugs out. So let's get working on that and see how it goes. So I've got my trusty quarter cable. It's a good, if you're a budget in Ontario, it's a good one for you. That comes off like that. So after you get this hose, it's a vacuum hose for the valve cover. After you get that off, you're gonna take all these clips out for the coils. Goes all the way up. That's after you get the intake charge pipe off. So we're gonna set you guys back on the tripod. Yeah, the clip's off. I'll just do this a little faster. So all those come off. And that will give you, if I get that out of the way, that coming in. So then, what you do is straight up the center there, there's coils you gotta take out. I'm just gonna buzz these off quickly. And I just dropped one. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, like I said, there's little bolts here that make sure 6 out. I'll show you guys now. I could also have them not gap properly. I don't have a gapper right now. But they're all black. You don't want black. You want... not black, I know that for sure. So, put those right there. And then, what we do is the snazzy dazzy white ones. Clear. Nice and shiny. I'm hoping they're gap correct. I don't have a gapper, so... Now this part, you don't want to use the impact. Might have found the issue why she wasn't running properly. Wrong spark plugs. Apparently I was off by one number. BPR is 70S. You're supposed to have BCPR 70S. But yeah, first off, just make sure you finger thread it in. Gently. And when it gets to being snug like that, guys, little crank. You put all the spark plugs in, guys. A little snug, and then put the coil packs back on. Button everything up, and I'll see if she'll fire for me. You guys be prepared for some wicked content coming up, especially when drift season kicks in. It's gonna be a lot more fun. Just because I'm going to be going to all of them. Don't mind this, I gotta get a new coil. It's already foo-bird on me. Just push it right down. And then that one goes right into there. Okay. What I'm going to do is get my magnet. Because I'll stick the washer to it. Trying to get everything all. We're gonna get all the bolts and washers in. And if you guys are in the Ontario region and see me at drift events, come say hi. Those are all buttoned up. Now we connect the coil wires. All buttoned intake back on after I get this tube over. Valve cover breather tubes. Put the other insert hose on, vacuum hose, and then put the intercooler piping in. I just button all that up and I should be good. The stage show fire for me. Hook the mat back up, which is down over here. Well guys, here's the moment of truth. If I wired it up correctly, I push this button, she should start. Come on. She's going. There she goes. It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Well guys, there you have it. A little bit of time and effort, and she runs like a champ now. I'm gonna end this one here. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, this thing in action. Next thing is gonna be mods. I'm gonna have lots of mods coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.